Good morning, class 6 students. Before starting my topic, as you know that we are living in a very difficult time, and for this we need your cooperation. Students, please deposit your monthly fees. Students, as you know that we are doing civics and we are on chapter number 2nd. Students, in my previous video, I have completed the reading portion. So today, we are going to start with the question answers, discussion of the question answers. So let's start. It's given on page number 24. Question number 2. How can the stereotype that the girls are burdened? First question is match the following, that you can do yourself. It's given. Easy statements are being given. So we are moving on to the question number 2 discussion. How can the stereotype that girls are burden on their parents affected the life of the daughters? Imagine the situation and list at least 5 different effects that this stereotype can have on the way daughters get treated in their houses. Students, here you are going to write any 5 points how the girls are being discriminated because of the stereotypes mentality or the parents have. Students, you can write about giving the proper diet, that the girls they are not given the proper diet, they are not given the equality in education, and plus you can write about the work, the household, they are used to do the household work, and about the friendship also, they are not given the proper care. All these are the stereotypes effects of the points of how parents treated their daughters that was done previously. Now question number 3. What does the constitution say with regard to equality? Why do you think it is important for all people to be equal? See, students, here equality, the people are free. The constitution says that people are free to choose their own work of their wishes. Everyone has an equal right and opportunities. Everyone is free to compete for the government job. It's given on page number 22. It's given in the second paragraph. We have discussed when I was reading the chapter. Here the constitutions also give a proper care. Everyone is free to compete with the government job. Right to equality for poor is such another marginal groups. Equality. All these points you can write. Question number 4. Sometimes people make prejudiced comments in our presence. We have often not in the position to do anything about this because it is very difficult to say something right then and there. Divide the class into groups and each group discuss what they could do in the following situation. So since in this answer you are going to write in your own words. They are given a situation of the class. Sometime you will also have a got the prejudice comment, means the negative comment, and that time you are not able to answer. So what is the situation given that the class has been divided? You write your own points in this answer. First point you are going to write about it. A friend begins to tease a classmate because he is a poor. This is a situation given that the friends begin to tease a classmate. A friend is poor because he is a poor. A friend is teasing him. So what is your views? You are going to write your views. I am going to tell my views about it. But here you are going to write your own views. B point, you are watching TV with your family and one of them make a prejudiced comment about a particular religion community. While watching a TV, family members give a negative effect regarding any religion community. What are your comments? How you are going to tackle with this situation? You are going to write your views. C point, children in your class refuses to share your food with a particular person because they think she is dirty. Because one girl is dirty or they think that she is not properly dressed or she is dirty, she refuses to share the lunch. What will be your comment with how you are going to react in this situation? D point, somebody tells you a joke that make fun of community because it is of the essence. Essence means the way of speaking. People are making the fun of particular community because of the accent they are speaking, the way of talking, the way of language. So how you are going to react? Positively or negatively? How you are going to react? You are going to discuss it. Write it. E point, Some boys make remark about girls not being able to play games as well as them. There is a prejudice negative comment by the boys that the girls do not play better game than the boys. So what is your opinion? Discuss in this class what the different groups have suggested from other situations and also talk about the problems they can come up while raising this issue. You have to write what are the problems and when you're raising this situation. So students, this completes your reading question. This completes your question answers. Students, as you know, I have discussed all the answers with you. Now students, if you find any problem, our school planner is easily available at school. Please buy the planner if you want and learn the question answer. Thank you.